All right, here is some cool features from the HOM Create menu. So I've adjusted some things where we have 4 default files from Alchemy, and then any menus that we add in the cookbook um, for the pipeline will come after those menus. So the HOM Create is going to be right here. You can click on that and we'll create a project. So I am going to create this project TT test B. Um, test, and I'm just going to leave that. It's going to create a project in shotgrid, and it's going to create project folders on the T drive. I will hit continue to pick users, and I'll create the project. So this is going to go do a bunch of different stuff. And don't worry, it's still going. it's it's gonna be creating all the projects on disk, and then it's gonna and that takes a hot second. When it's done, I am having it open Chrome so that we can see the resulting project, which is cool. So here's the project that we just made. Um, Now let's see. I'm gonna close out of this. I can make this refresh, but I'm just gonna close Alchemy and reopen it. So we'll reopen Alchemy, and we should have our TTT test B. If we switch to that project, even if you're doing mostly stuff from these menus, it's going to know what project you're trying to work with. So if I go here and I do a contract, it's going to know that I'm working in TTT test B. And it's pretty smart. It'll see if there's any contracts. If there isn't, it'll make this contract a 1, and I can just hit the create contract button, and it'll create a contract in shotgrid. It'll also create the config file for that contract on disk. So we'll hit that. And it's funny, like the shotgrid thing is usually the thing that takes longest. That's why I got the little lumberjack up there. But that was quick, and writing to the T drive is what takes a while. So I think I can, it might be nice to like open this up so you can see it, but you'll have to tell me if you want something like that. But I'm just gonna go to the folder. And there it is. There is our config file. So as you start using it, let me know things that would make it easier, things that would make it clearer for people in production using these things. But go ahead and give it a try, and we'll see how it goes.